Sanabena mashoko atikuona kuti panapa vakomanawo panguva ino vari kuto huta vari kutotya kuti toramba chisapota mutungamiri wenyika for the 2030 kana toita sei. Vakomana vemu ruling party panguva ino vari muconfusion. Sanabena mashoko amudanyorwa panapa nevakomana vemu the news hawks ndimbo subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Timbina mwana mudanyora chiti President Emerson Mnangagwa's allies and supporters are getting increasingly desperate to keep him in office beyond his 2028 constitutional limit to 2030. They are planning a subvert the constitution through the back door. Zambia Farad Provincial Chairman Goodwill Masimurembwa says the constitution allows President Emmerson Mnangagwa to serve more than 2 terms, provided it is amended to allow him to continue for 2 years, 11 months and 29 days. He says a referendum would only be needed if Mnangagwa wants to serve 2 terms and an extra 3 years, which constitution considers a full term. So the plan is to use parliament to amend the constitution and postpone the elections to 2030. In the process, giving Mnangagwa 2 more years in power without going through a referendum to remove term limits. These details raise a critical constitutional and legal issue as well as political atmospherics. Can parliament postpone elections? University of Zimbabwe academic Lavo Maduku, a professor of law, recently told the news hawks that parliament cannot postpone elections without staging a coup against the constitution. Masimurembwa told a ZANU-PF Harare Youth Inter-District meeting on Saturday the plan is to amend the constitution to extend Mnangagwa's term by more 2 years, pushing the next elections to 2030. Ndo mashoko atirikuona kuti aiwa ari kubva masuggestions ari kubva kune vanhu. Tiona kuti debate iri kuramba ichingotenderera. Tiona kuti panguva ino vakomana ve the ruling parties and kunyange everything is now in place, vangomira ngoamenda the constitution, vari kutya kuti vangoita any slight move panguva ino they do not know the consequences anenge ari carried in that move. Semafunguro aimoti kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi, pinda comment section medu, so no subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.